Hello and welcome everyone to today's edition of the Market Pulse webinar series, bringing you live insights and expert guidance in collaboration with Dubai Municipality. I'm your host, Jenny Robin from GL Exhibitions, organizers of the 24th edition of the Middle East Organic and Natural Products Expo, scheduled to take place from 16th to the 18th of November 2026 at the Dubai World Trade Center. Organic Expo Dubai is the region's leading trade platform for organic, natural, wellness, and sustainable products. We are delighted to have you all join us for an informative session designed to support international businesses looking to expand into the UAE market. Without taking much of your time, we would like to welcome our distinguished speaker, Ms. Atra Ahmed Darwish Hassan Al-Balushi. She is Consumables Material Inspection Officer at Dubai Municipality. With deep expertise in product registration, compliance, and the Montaji system, Ms. Atra brings invaluable first-hand insights into navigating the UAE's regulatory landscape. Today, she will guide global exporters on how to successfully enter and scale within UAE market with clarity and confidence. Ms. Atra, the floor is all yours.
Thank you, dear Jenny, for this lovely introduction. Hi, welcome all. This is Dr. Adra Al-Balushi from Dubai Municipality, the team leader of Montaji, or the registration team. It's a pleasure to welcome you today as Dubai continues to grow as a global business and trade hub, ensuring consumer product safety and regulatory compliance has become more important than ever. Today's session is designed to give you a practical overview of how companies can successfully register consumer product in Dubai through Montaji system and understand the key regulatory requirements, avoid common challenges during the registration process, whether you are launching a new brand, expanding into the UAE market, or planning long-term growth across the GCC region, and understanding compliance from the beginning is essential for smooth market access and sustainable business success. We hope today's session will provide useful insights and support your journey and entering the Dubai market with confidence. So thank you for being here with us today, and I think we have to begin, okay? So today we will cover what's Montaji, which products require registration, the registration procedures, and timelines and fees, as well as some important compliance requirements. So let's start with what's Montaji, okay? So Montaji is a smart integrated system developed by Dubai Municipality to regulate and monitor consumer product safety in the market. The system supports several services, including product registration, which is the one we are focusing on today, and import and re-export services, consumer product permits, and open data access. So the main objective, as I said, is to ensure product available in Dubai markets are safe, compliant with health and safety requirements. We will talk also about what are the categories or the consumer products registered with Dubai Municipality. We have five categories: cosmetics and personal care products, fragrance, health supplements, detergents, and biocides. We will go one by one category. So let's start with cosmetics and personal care products. So cosmetics and personal care products are substances intended to be placed contact with only the external part of the body, to clean, to perfume, to change appearance, protect, keep in good condition, and to correct the body odors. We can register hair scalp products, baby products, skincare products, as well as nail cuticle products. Oh, sorry. Now we will talk about the fragrance, which are products mainly intended to provide a pleasant smell to the body, hair, clothes, and surroundings. Like personal fragrance, like ADP, which is perfume ADP, or EDT, and perfume oil and body mist cologne. As well as we register home fragrance like air refreshener, reed diffuser, and room spray or scented sachets, as well as candles. For the health supplements, product intended for ingestion that contains dietary ingredients to supplement the diet and support health, like vitamins, minerals, amino acids, herbal supplements, probiotics, omega-3, protein powders, collagen supplements, pre-workout, post-workout, all of these things. As well as the fourth category, which is detergents. They are cleaning products used for washing, cleaning, or removing dirt from surfaces, fabrics, and utensils. These products are like laundry detergents, dishwashing liquids, glass cleaner, toilet cleaner, multi-purpose cleaner, as well as floor cleaner. The fifth category, which is biocides. Also, these products intended to destroy or prevent control harmful organisms such as viruses, bacteria, fungi, and insects. Like hand sanitizer, as we know, serve as disinfectant and antibacterial sprays. So, say you have a company and you want to start your business in UAE or in Dubai, and you want to register your products. The first thing, who should apply for registration? We don't deal actually with individuals, we deal with companies. So you have to have a UAE license, and local manufacturers can apply for registration. If you are out of UAE, you need to have a free sale certificate from the country of origin. And if the product is local manufactured, GMP, which is a good manufacturing practice document, as well as a clear artwork of the product, ingredient report, lab tests, if it's required, you can provide it. Otherwise, no need. We can only go for the process with ingredient report, artwork, free sale certificate, or GMP. So, services and procedures. You need to have an account in Montaji system, okay, to create a request for your product. So after that, you need to pay for that request, which is 10 dirhams per product, okay? You need to provide all the documents, as I said, artwork, ingredient report, and free sale certificate or GMP. Lab test as if it's required. If the lab test passed, it may go approved, okay? If it's not passed, the product will be rejected. Regarding all the limitation, we have limitation for the ingredients. All these limitation and prohibited maybe claims, it's on the guidelines on our website, the Dubai Municipality website. So as we said, who can apply for registration? Local manufacturers or importers with UAE license. Okay. So, for the request for consumer product registration through Montaji, you will have a validity certificate. The product registration, it's issued when the product complies with recommended health and safety regulatory in Dubai Municipality. It's valid for 5 years from the date of issue. For the fees, it's 10 dirhams per product and 10 dirhams per variant, okay? And 20 dirhams per each certificate if the consumer needs to get the registration certificate. Otherwise, you need only to pay 10 dirhams. The timetable differs based on the category. So for the cosmetics and personal care products, they took 22 working days for the approval. For the supplements, 12 working days. For the detergents, 5 working days, and for the biocides, 3 working days. So, what we mean with when we are talking about the label requirements, as we can see here, we have a product. So it has to be, all the information has to be on the label, like the brand or product name, the claims, and we don't accept like medical claims to treat or treat an infection or something. We don't accept that. Okay. It has to be declared the product function, nominal content, a batch number, expiry date, list of detergents, and also if there is any warnings, it has to be declared on the label and the country origin of the product itself. Okay, and name and address of the responsible person if it's from outside UAE. So let's go and know what are the example of banned ingredients or product out of the Montaji scope. As we said, we only register consumable products that are non-medical. So we will go by categories. We will start with cosmetics and personal cares. Example of banned ingredient or products out of Montaji scope. Products, they are for eczema or acne products. They are not with Montaji. For the fragrance, there are 2 banned ingredients like Lilial and Lyral. Okay, for the health supplements, we don't accept or we don't register melatonin products that has melatonin or ashwagandha. Okay, and for the detergents, we don't register air disinfection, water disinfection, and sanitizer for medical devices. For the biocides, we don't register, or these products are out of Montaji scope, which are floor or metal polish and waste treatment. So, what are the other services within our section that can be presented to companies? Uh, they can apply for free sale certificate of consumer products. If your product is local, if it's local manufactured, you can request for a free sale certificate if you want to export it for us for outside. As well as product registration, as we said, and apply for consumer product advertisement permit. So again, you need to log into Montaji website, choose the service, and for the consumer product, you can click for each service you want, and then you can go for applying for the document, uploading your document, sorry. So this was my information today about product registration.
Thank you, Ms.
If you have
Atra.
any question.
Yes, thank you, Ms. Atra, for an insightful and highly valuable session. So we are receiving quite a few questions from our audiences. And one of the top questions that I see, you have already covered this question in your presentation, but would you be kind enough to elaborate a little for the better understanding of our global exporters and listeners today? So the question is, what are the latest UAE regulations or mandatory requirements for registering organic and natural products?
You can hear me now, right? I think the
Yes,
mic was off.
yes,
Yes.
yes, I can hear you. Did you hear my question?
Yes, yes. You
Okay.
mean the latest UAE regulations, right? For the
Yes, yes,
organic
yes,
and clean label
yes,
products. Okay.
exactly. Yeah.
So, in Dubai Municipality recommends that companies check the latest applicable UAE standards as well as the guideline it's published on Dubai Municipality requirements before importing or launching products. Especially when using claims such as organic, natural, clean, vegan, these claims. But the process and the procedure will be the same as well as any other product.
Mhm, mhm.
They will go under the same process for registration.
Okay, okay. Could
Yes.
you highlight a little bit about these steps again, a bit so that, you know, our audiences
Yes,
Can you give
sure,
better
sure,
insight?
sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sure. You need to have an account and a Montaji system. If you are a local manufacturer, you need to have GMP. If you are from outside, you need to have a valid UAE license for important. Okay, and free sale certificate for the product itself from the country of origin, as well
Okay,
as ingredient report and artwork, the
okay.
label artwork.
Thank you, Ms. Atra, for that expert guidance. So one of the other questions are that we are receiving. I know you were focusing a little bit on your different sectors, but there are some of our audiences who are into food sector as well. So are there any different registration procedures for food, cosmetics, supplements, and personal care products?
Actually, we are all on same website. Like in
Mm-hmm.
Montaji, you will find a place for registering food,
Mm-hmm.
material, or consumer products,
Yes.
and they will go under the same procedures as well. Maybe the differs will be on the document they are requesting because food department is different than health and safety department.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but the procedure is same. I think they request the same documents.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe the only differ will be an timetable. As I said, for the health supplements, it's 12 working days, consumer product 22 working days, etc. Like this.
Mm-hmm. And when your
But they
request
need to
for,
have,
yeah.
yes, sorry, I didn't cut you.
Yeah. Sorry to interrupt. There are times, especially for cosmetics and health sector supplements, when they are doing registrations, lab tests are required. So are there some affiliated labs from where these tests needs to be procured?
Yeah, they can do it in Dubai Central Lab or
Okay.
any authorized lab from Dubai Municipality.
Okay, great, great.
Yes.
And one other question is, which I believe most of them would be more interested to know, is what are the most common reasons generally products here get rejected, or the application process gets delayed for?
Okay. So, common reasons actually included prohibited or restricted ingredients or banned ingredients, as I said. If maybe the health supplements contain ashwagandha or melatonin, it's not with us, it's out of Montaji scope, so it will be rejected. Or medical or therapeutic claim, as I said, also, we only register consumer products that are non-medical products.
Mhm,
So if there was a medical claim or therapeutic, it's not with Montaji,
mhm,
as well as a product classified out of Montaji scope.
mhm,
All these informations are available on our website. We have guidelines for each category, like
mhm.
supplements guideline, biocides guideline. They can go through each guideline before registering to avoid rejection.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Miss Atra, our show attracts a lot of companies who are into natural food supplements and health supplements. And, I also see here in the market that there are products with ashwagandha available. So, what is the procedure if such companies want to enter UAE? Is there a dedicated platform where they can do their registration from if it's not Montaji?
I think it may goes with
Okay.
another sector, not Dubai municipality. Yes.
Okay, okay, great. So, Ms. Satra, thank you so much. This brings us to the very end, and I have like $1 million question for you. What advice would Dubai Municipality give to brands planning long-term expansion in GCC region?
Mhm. So our advice is to think compliance before market entry, not after. Brands planning long-term expansion in Dubai and in wider GCC should build compliance into their product development, labeling, claims, and supply chain for the beginning. So Dubai, as we know, is a strategic getaway to the GCC market. So the product that's well documented, correctly classified, safely formulated, properly labeled, will have a much smoother journey through registration. So not only in Dubai, this is everywhere. Okay, so compliance should be not be seen as an obstacle. It's a business advantage that builds trust between the regulators and the consumers itself.
Okay. Also, I wanted to understand, do you see a lot of organic and natural products getting registered through the Montaji system? I
Yes,
mean, a lot
sure,
of
sure,
companies.
a lot, a lot. As well as we also can register homemade products.
Okay, okay. That's
Yes,
interesting.
yes,
So thank you, Ms. Atra. Your presentation has provided our audience with practical knowledge and greater confidence
you're
to
most welcome.
successfully enter and grow within the UAE market. We would also like to extend our sincere appreciation to the team at Dubai Municipality for their continued support and commitment to enabling a transparent and efficient regulatory environment for international businesses. A special thank you to all our attendees for joining today's Market Pulse session and for your active participation and engagement. There is a short survey that takes less than 1 minute to complete, and we would appreciate all attendees taking a moment to respond, which we will be sharing it via email. As part of our commitment to supporting global brands entering the region, our sister company, GLA Trading, can also assist international companies with product registrations and market entry services in the UAE. To learn more about our services and events, or if you have any questions related to today's session, please contact us at info@organicandnatural.com. We look forward to welcoming and supporting you on your journey into the UAE market. Here's wishing you all continued success ahead. Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Atra.
Thank you, dear, once again for your time and participation today. It was an honor for me to be with you. And we hope today's session has provided valuable insights that will support their future and their business plans, and help simplify the product registration journey. If you have any question, anything, our emails are, I think the screen is clear for them, right?
Yes, yes, yes. People can
Yes,
see.
they have our email and our Dubai Municipality call center as well.
Yes, great. Thank you. Thank you so much for your time,
Thank you.
and we're signing off. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, dear. Have a great day.